BuildExact versus Contractor Foreman 2025. Which construction management software is better? Most people get construction management software wrong by assuming all tools do the same thing. In 2025, BuildExact and Contractor Foreman are two of the top contenders, but they cater to slightly different needs. BuildExact focuses on small to medium residential contractors. You won't believe what happens next. It offers easy-to-use estimating tools, job costing, and material ordering in one platform. Contractors can generate professional quotes in minutes and track project expenses accurately, reducing financial surprises. Its simple interface makes onboarding fast, which is perfect for teams without dedicated tech staff. Contractor Foreman, on the other hand, is designed for larger teams and commercial projects. The surprising truth is it offers a wider range of features, including scheduling, time tracking, change orders, safety management, and even CRM capabilities. It integrates with accounting software like QuickBooks, making it a complete solution for managing both projects and business operations. In terms of pricing, BuildExact is more affordable for smaller operations, while Contractor Foreman subscription is reasonable considering the breadth of features it provides. Both platforms offer mobile apps, but Contractor Foreman's app is slightly more robust for field management. In conclusion, choose BuildExact if you're a small to mid-sized residential contractor looking for fast, accurate estimating and simple project management. If your company handles multiple projects, larger teams or commercial jobs, Contractor Foreman is likely the better fit in 2025. Your choice depends on your project scale, team size, and which features matter most.